Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be teaching you on how to produce Izal. Izal is basically a disinfectant that kills microorganisms that are harmful to human beings and keeping our environment clean. Procedure: get a clean bowl and add 60 grams of Texapon and mix thoroughly. So this is the Texapon. After adding the Texapon, the next thing you have to do is to mix thoroughly mixing stick. So you have to mix it thoroughly so that you will be nice. The next chemical you added was the pin oil. So you mix the pin oil and the Texapon together effectively. Make sure you mix it very well. Take your time to mix it well so that the two can combine effectively. After mixing it, this is how it will look. The two have combined at this point. Add in your carbolic acid and stir effectively. As you can see, the color has started changing. Please note, once you are doing this production, make sure you wear nose mask because these chemicals are very reactive. Add in Lasol, 25 cl of Lasol, and you stir effectively. Make sure that you stir everything so that everything can combine very well to give you a nice product. Add in 50 cl of Germicide and stir effectively. Germicide helps in killing germs in our home. Most of the diseases that affect human beings is caused by germs. So this Germicide will help in killing the germs in your home once you use them to mop and also wash your toilet to avoid toilet-borne diseases. So stir effectively. Add in 50 cl of whitener. Whitener help your Izal to be white. You can see that the color is changing. So you add in the whitener, and the whitener also help in combining all your chemicals you have added earlier so that your Izal can be effective. So just add in and mix very well. At this point, we are going to be putting in 4 liters of water into our mixture. This is the measurement. So you can see us putting the water into the mixture. So you put in 4 liters of water, then you stir effectively. Your product is now ready for use. You can now sell to individuals or you sell to companies for toilet wash and other things. You can now package and sell. Thank you for watching. Do us well to subscribe and share this video. God bless you till I come your way again. Bye bye.